Hi there and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of food and its impact on resilience. As you know, what we eat plays a huge role in our mental toughness and overall well-being. But before we get started, I have an exciting offer for you. Right now, until June 18th, you can get 30% off on all Vega plant-based protein powders by using the link in the description box below. So make sure to check it out. All right, let's talk about resilience and how our food choices can make a difference. You've probably heard about chronic inflammation, and it's linked to various health issues like heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. Guess what? Stress causes inflammation, and a poor diet only adds to that stress and inflammation. So if we want to enhance our resilience, we need to focus on foods that nourish our bodies and make us feel good. That means choosing simple, nutritious meals packed with vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that help us function at our best. Today, I have a delicious and nutrition-infused smoothie bowl recipe to share with you. It's super easy to make, and trust me, it tastes amazing. Now, here are a couple of tips to make the most out of this smoothie bowl. Tip number 1, to maximize the nutrition, let's mix in some protein powder. And speaking of protein powder, if you're looking for a brand recommendation, I highly recommend Vega Protein and Greens. Not only does it provide a fantastic blend of plant-based protein and essential greens, but you can also get it right now with a special 30% discount using my link below. Tip number 2, for an extra freeze factor and a thicker, more ice cream-like texture, let's use frozen avocado in our smoothie bowl. Today I'm just using a regular banana, but you could also try frozen banana or adding frozen spinach as well. All right, let's get started with our Super Greens frozen smoothie bowl recipe. This recipe serves one, so adjust the quantities accordingly if you're making it for more people. First, we'll need half a cup of unsweetened almond milk or any other non-dairy milk of your choice. To that, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and let them soak in the blender for about 10 minutes. This allows the chia seeds to gel up and add some extra goodness to our bowl. You'll see today that I'm keeping things simple and I'm using my magic bullet in place of a large blender. I added half a peeled and sliced banana. I'm adding 1/4 of a peeled and cubed avocado, which I've used the frozen kind. 1 cup of frozen spinach if you've got it. And 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup of frozen berries. We're going to blend everything together at high speed, making sure to scrape down the sides of the blender as needed. And if the mixture becomes too thick, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk to adjust the consistency. For an added nutritional boost, you can include 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder or any other super green powder you prefer. And if you're looking to increase your protein intake, add 1/2 scoop to a scoop of vanilla or unflavored protein powder. And remember, Vega protein powder and greens is an excellent choice for both protein and greens in one convenient package. Once everything is well blended, scrape the mixture into a bowl and get ready to add whatever delicious toppings you like. You might want to sprinkle a tablespoon of hemp seeds on for some extra crunch and nutrition, or even slice the other half of that banana on top. And there you have it, our Super Greens frozen smoothie bowl. It's packed with all the good stuff your body needs to thrive and become more resilient. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And don't forget to take advantage of the 30% discount on Vega protein powder and greens using the link below. Remember, this offer won't last forever, so make sure to grab it while you can. Thank you so much for watching today's video on resilience, mental toughness, and taking personal responsibility for our well-being. If you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and tips on building resilience in all areas of your life. Stay strong, stay resilient, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.